NoNoseKnows is about many things. It was filmed in a factory and farm for creating cultured pearls in China, in Zhuji. I'm fascinated by the idea of they are a product of an irritation or kind of an allergic reaction. Especially in the case of cultured pearls, this acceleration of a process that takes in nature many years, and now humans have learned to accelerate that process and to create up to 20 or 30 pearls per mussel. The video takes place partly in the pearl farms and partly in my studio in New York. I'm interested in this combination of fiction and documentary as a way to deal with the world, perhaps, and the way to bring the world into the studio and exit the studio into the world. So I find that way of working that I started maybe 5 or 6 years ago to be an interesting place to explore for a while. It's important to me that you enter the work through a real space and then you approach the projected space. And that perhaps repeats in the video where the spaces that are more fabricated by myself and spaces that are fabricated by reality. So I think that border in between reality and fantasy, or reality and subjective space, kind of echoes in the installation. I also like to create a sense of a little bit of curiosity and kind of draw people in.